This logic is applicable when you have to multiply two numbers having unit place sum is 10. Okay, let's take an example. We have to multiply 38 with 32. Okay, now look at the unit place. The sum of unit place is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. If you exclude the unit place, the remaining digit of both the number should be same. So in both the numbers I can see the remaining digits are 3. So our prerequisite condition is fulfilled. Now make the two parts, left part, right part, and in the right part we have to write the number in two digit format. So pick the number other than unit place is 3. Find the next number of 3 will be 4. Multiply 3 with 4, you will get 12. So for the left part you are done. Now for the right part, multiply both the right numbers. So 8 into 2, you will get 16. So here is the answer. 12, 16 will be the answer. You can see 38 into 32. 12, 16 will be the answer. Take one more example. 63 into 67. So first look at the unit place. The sum of unit place is 10 and the number other than unit place is 6. So if this condition fulfills, means we can apply the logic. Create the left and right part. Pick the number other than unit place. Get the next of 6 will be 7. Multiply 6 with 7, you will get 42. So for the left part we are done. For the right part, multiply both the unit places. 3 into 7 will give you 21. So the final answer will be 42. Let's check whether our answer is correct or not. 4221. It's correct. Let's take one more example where we have 3-digit number. See, unit place sum is 10. Create left part and right part. Find the number other than unit place 11. Find the next number of 11 will be 12. Multiply 11 with 12, you will get 132. Now for the left part we are done. Go to the right part. Multiply 8 with 2, you will get 16. Write it here. So here is the answer. 13216. So we have to multiply 118 with 112. 13216. Cool. Let's take one more example. 194 into 196. Check the sum of unit place. Should be 10. It is 10. And the number other than unit place is same in both the numbers. Fine. Both the conditions are fulfilled. Pick the number 19. Find the next of 19 will be 20. Multiply 19 with 20. You will get 380. Okay. So for the left part we are done. Now take the right part. 4 and 6. Multiply 4 with 6. You will get 24. That's it. Here is the answer. So you don't have to do the multiplication using the traditional method. You can apply this quick trick to solve the question. 38024. Okay, let's take some bigger number. 992 with 998. Unit place sum is 10. Number other than unit place is 99 in both the cases. So that means we can apply logic here. Create left part and right part. Find the number other than unit place is 99. Find next of 99 will be 100. Multiply 99 with 100. You will get 9900. For the left part you are done. Now for the right part, just multiply 2 with 8 and keep on the right part. 2 into 8 will be 16 and we are keeping 16 here. Okay. So you can see here 992 into 998. The answer is correct. Okay. So you can take the screenshot for the future reference if required.